If you're wanting to sign up with Hostinger WordPress Hosting and want a Hostinger WordPress Hosting discount, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger WordPress Hosting coupon code that will give you a Hostinger discount on Hostinger WordPress Hosting. I'll be providing you with a Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout that will save you money no matter what Hostinger WordPress Hosting plan you choose. You'll also get a free domain name on select Hostinger WordPress Hosting annual plans. To get your Hostinger WordPress Hosting coupon code discount, click the link below in the description. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Now let me walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger WordPress Hosting discount, and also showing you the discounted amount you'll be getting once you enter the Hostinger WordPress promo code at checkout with each of the plans. I'm on the Hostinger WordPress Hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button or scroll down and you'll see 4 different Hostinger WordPress Hosting plans: the Single WordPress, WordPress Starter, Business WordPress, and WordPress Pro plan. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted here. You get a free domain name with the WordPress Starter, Business WordPress, and WordPress Pro plan as long as you choose an annual plan for your Hostinger WordPress Hosting purchase. The Single WordPress plan doesn't come with a free domain name. Once you choose a Hostinger WordPress Hosting plan to go with, hit the Select button. Next, scroll down to the Total section, and where it says Have a Coupon Code, click this and enter the promo code I provided in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top, you'll see the additional savings you'll be saving. Here's the discounted amount for the Single WordPress plan. You get up to 81% off in Hostinger WordPress Hosting for as low as $185 a month. Here's the discounted amount for the WordPress Starter plan. You'll get up to 75% off and get Hostinger WordPress Hosting for as low as $371 a month. Here's the discounted amount for the Business WordPress plan. You'll get up to 62% off in Hostinger WordPress Hosting for as low as $650 a month. Here's the discount amount for the WordPress Pro plan. You get up to 63% off and get Hostinger WordPress Hosting for as low as $1078 a month. Next, fill out the rest of the details like your email, payment information, and click the Submit Secure Payment button. You'll be able to choose your domain name after you finish checking out with Hostinger. The domain name will be free if you went with the WordPress Starter, Business WordPress, or WordPress Pro plan and go with any of the annual terms. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger WordPress Hosting coupon discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.